Am I wasting time and money in this journey? I'm afraid of it. I hope I found awesome answers right away. I know it's scary to do it, but try it once, and it has a greater purpose to me. Take only memories and leave nothing but only footprints. And Bill Bryson said, I love the feeling of being anonymous in the city I never been before. That's why, you know. So I ended up with these shots.
I say, hey, now I'm walking away without your love and without your pain.
I know you can see only my feet, but my purpose is to leave my footprints. Here I am in this another place outside my country. I know it's scary to experience it, but I have my friends to discover. Different culture, food, transportation, and language. Or maybe you can join me. Packing up things just to discover the other places is the exciting and also tiring part of the journey. I'm here with Sophie. I know it's crazy, but I'm excited though.
It will take us 3 hours and 30 minutes. We'll be climbing up to cruise altitude of 35,000 feet. Weather.
A 4-hour flight to Kuala Lumpur.
Please keep your seatbelts fastened at all times.
We safely landed to KLIA Terminal 2 in the morning. And looking for the exit gates. Tired to walk, but we need to find the exit gates. A lot of walk, but this is how to test my patience right now. Finally, we made it to the exit gates of the airport. We check in here in Dream Lodge, nearby to our itineraries. In a broad daylight, looking for a SIM card. Energized with the sunlight walk, a good mental walk from another place. Hi! We're here in Kuala Lumpur. We're going to the temple here.
Sri Maha Mariamman.
Sri Mahamama. So we visited the Sri Mariamman temple. Such a peaceful journey in their temple. Walk around to discover more about the Hinduism religion. Again, more walking, and as you can see, their colorful temple. Lunchtime in Malaysia. There are varieties of food you can choose. A bit of spices, not salty, which is good and healthy. And iced tea for 1.5 Malaysian ringgit.
If I bought these two, 25 lang. When
On the way to the next place, not crowded train station.
Friends don't care enough. Same room, same truth. The dare cartoon. True love keeps breaking up. Starting to think that I'm the problem. I'm stuck in the 2020 hindsight. Been there, done that, cut that t-shirt. Tough love, you can wear it any day. Not with a selfie. Loneliness is healthy to me, but I feel so out of whack.
We're going to Batu Caves.
To crawl into myself, 'cause I need it. Gotta pull it up for the ones I used to be. Yeah. Check your self-esteem. Yeah. Gotta check your self-esteem.
Parang ito pala
Hello.
yung pang-PNR ng Pilipinas eh.
Dito kami sa Central Station, Kuala Lumpur. Walang tao guys, hindi katulad sa MRT. So waiting kami 1 hour to Batu Caves. And we waited for an hour. Walking here is the best exercise, though it's kinda humid. During the travel, it takes a lot of courage and effort. You know what I mean, from airport to airport, immigration and those documents, walking and speaking another language with the locals, waited to rest up our tired feet and enjoy some places.
So hi guys, nandito kami sa train station. Walang chibay, Clover Beats. So, saan galing yung Clover Beats natin? Office. Ngayon, nabawat ang Malaysia. Papuntang Batu Caves. Baka maabot ka na ng tapo. Dear Barbecue. Yeah. Aabot to ng Singapore, promise. Hanggang sa birthday ni, ay sa concert ni Taylor.
All you have to do is to enjoy every minute, every hour, and every seconds of the journey.
Yeah.
Train station to Batu Caves. Got my tickets to Batu Caves for almost 2.5 Malaysian ringgit. A huge rock formations upon entering the Batu Caves. There are a lot of foreigners visiting this place.
Sharing problems, only friends can make you pass the test. And we were friends. We were.
They have colorful temples again, but before you pray or visit their temple, remove your slip-ons to show some respect. Pigeons and monkeys are everywhere, so be careful of your things also, and bring some water. Murugan statue is a Tamil god of war and victory. There are 272 steps of hiking and a lot of monkeys here.
This is us before the hike.
So I'm holding my camera with a lot of grip. So I trade my water bottle to a monkey because he is eyeing for my camera.
Were they, but now you're famous. You're taking on the world. Everybody cares now. You gotta change yourself. Hyper-focus, right back. Pick your currency.
This is my view during the hike. I know it's very tiring, but we need to experience this more. And I know in the end it will be victorious if you finish this hike. No off-shoulders outfit when you are visiting a temple or this cave. And no lesson learned actually.
But now you're famous. You're taking on the world. Everybody cares now. You gotta change yourself. Hyper-focus, ride that current. Pick your
This is me after the hike here in Batu Caves. There we go. Looks the beautiful. So beautiful.
A huge cave is waiting for you. Another temple is waiting for you also. And another steps to another cave. Inside the cave, this is where the victory happens. You can sit and rest after that tiring hike. And you can hear the religious music.
This is us after the hike.
Ilang abdan yun?
Di ko na binilang. 1,000. 1,000.
Alam ko 200.
Kinuha yung tubig ko ng monkey. Pinamigay ko kaysa mahablot yung camera.
shake your head to anything, to anyone. Ooh.
We are going back to our hotel to rest and energize to our next destination.
I guess that what they say is true. The best intentions can be cruel. You love someone, you hate someone. You're not enough, you are enough. And I know you know the cost of letting go.
Bukit Bintang is the nearest train station to KLCC Park. are not using carts for train station. They use this one. A mini overpass inside the train station.
Can find each other in between the trees. And maybe when I see you,
After a long walks and cross some trains, we are here in KLCC finally.
Ano nakikita mo maganda? Ayun o, babe. Ano yan doon? Doon ba ba? Sabay maganda. Sabay maganda.
This is what we're looking for. When I was a young, I just see this twin tower throughout magazines and internet and ask myself, when will I visit this kind of place? Now, I finally met the Petronas Tower.
Bakay gagi.
It's really hard to look up there for a few hours. That may cause you some stiff neck or pain. But as long as you see who you want or what you want to look up, just look up them because it gives us goosebumps to our lives. Who knows, one day people are also looking up to you too, just like this Petronas Twin Towers. They're too common in daylight, but in darkness it shines, so keep shining. So midnight dinner or breakfast, call it what you want. After the Twin Tower trip, we look up for a restaurant, so this is how it goes. Watch for my book back. So this is a wrap for my Malaysia trip. So follow me to this border that you are watching right now. Maybe I have surprise for you. I'm glad that you watched my vlog. I hope you enjoy my vlog too. See you on my next vlog. Bye!